Hey guys, I'm Mama here with another episode, and today we are doing our 80 subscriber special. We're gonna go down a really big hill with my skateboard, as you guys can see. So yeah, let's go. And thank you guys so much. Let's go! Oh my god. Let's go! Jake. Thank you guys so much for the support you guys have been giving me. We reached 80 subscribers, and that's amazing. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and that was our 80 subscriber special. Not too special, but I don't know what else to do. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.